Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, your phone and the Grand I10 Nios head unit. Plug a known good USB cable into the car's USB port. Use the main USB, not a charger-only port. On your phone, unlock and enable Android Auto in connected devices. Accept permissions for contacts and location. Once done, set the car's multimedia source to Android Auto or phone projection so the head unit looks for a device. This immediate setup speeds detection and avoids needless retries. You will now authorize and configure the connection. When the head unit prompts, accept permissions on your phone, contacts, messages, and audio so apps behave correctly. Grant them immediately. If the car supports wireless Android Auto, pair Bluetooth first, then accept the Wi-Fi direct prompt. Otherwise, the wired connection completes automatically. Make sure Do Not Disturb or battery-saving modes are off. They can block data exchange. Once the home screen loads, customize app order on the head unit for faster access. Finish by verifying core functions. Start navigation, make a call, and play audio to confirm everything works. If icons are missing or the screen freezes, disconnect and reconnect the USB cable, then reboot the phone and restart the car's head unit. Make sure your phone's Android Auto app is updated and clear its cache if connections remain unstable. If nothing helps, swap the cable or test a different phone to isolate whether the cable, phone, or head unit needs repair. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.